Hi everybody, thank you very much for your support, all the likes you've been giving me. It hasn't been very long since I've started this, but I really do appreciate it. Also, thank you to the NHS for all the wonderful work they're doing. We're all sat at home in this quietness, but you know, it's mayhem in the hospitals, and I know what everybody's going through, and a lot of my friends are working in the hospitals, and they don't tell the they're very, very overworked. Stay at home, stay safe. Okay, my name is Shwana and this is Cooking with Shwana. Right, okay, today we're going to cook Keema Balti. It's normally cooked in a pot, but I'm going to cook it on a tawa. It's another traditional utensil that we use for live cooking, outdoor cooking. The weather's nice today, so we thought, why not? Right, let's start with the ingredients. I've got here 1.5 medium onions sliced very thinly. I've got 1 tablespoon of ginger grated and 2 tablespoons of garlic grated. And I've got 2 tomatoes finely chopped. I've got 200 grams of new potatoes parboiled. I've got 180 grams of peas and they're boiled. 1.5 red pepper, 1.5 green pepper sliced. I've got about 6 green chilies finely chopped. I've got 6 because I'm not going to be using any red chilies in this, just going to use green chilies. My spices are 1.5 teaspoon of salt, 1.5 teaspoon of coriander and cumin powder, a 1/3 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds and 2 sticks of cinnamon seeds. I've got here 700 grams of mince. You can use chicken mince, beef, mutton, lamb, whichever you prefer. I've got fresh coriander and I've got some passata here if I need it. Right, so I've put some oil on my tawa. I'm now going to put the onions. Okay, so we're going to fry these until they're golden brown. To this, I'm going to add my cinnamon sticks and my cumin seeds, so they have a chance to fry in that oil. Right, the onions are golden brown. I'm going to add the garlic and I'm going to add the ginger. Stir well. The garlic, the ginger is quite nice. I mean, normally I use a ginger and garlic paste. It's just nice to have that ginger, in your mouth when you're actually eating this dish, to taste that fresh ginger. I'm going to add the minced meat. Break it up as you put it in there. Okay. That's all gone in there. Try and break it up as you're stirring. And while you're doing that, add all the spices. I think I might need a little bit more oil in this, so I'm going to add a little bit more oil. I started off with about 6 tablespoons, but usually oil, you can always drain it off afterwards, if there's too much in the dish. Now, keep stirring. Can you see all the spices? That turmeric giving that lovely golden colour. Now you can tell them. Because I wanted to say that, Stirring this for about 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to add the green chilies, chopped green chilies, stir that in. Keep frying, keep it moving. If you want to add red chili powder, you can. You know, there's no rights and wrong about this dish. You can add, I mean, I'm going to put some vegetables in there. You can add as much as you want, really, or as little as you want, depending on, you know, if you like potatoes and peas. As long as you get the salt and the chili right, everything else you can add more or less of. It's entirely up to you. Right. Now that the chilies have fried for a few minutes, I'm going to add the red and green peppers. Stir those in. Can you see how we're building the colours up? Adding the flavours step by step. That looks amazing. Can't think of anything I would like to do than be in my back garden cooking this for you. Right, keep stirring this for a few minutes. Frying for about 3-4 minutes now. Now I'm going to add potatoes. They're almost boiled, you know, not fully cooked. But these are new potatoes so that they don't mash up while you're cooking. And as you can see, I've cut them quite small. You don't want great big lumps of potato in this. And then I'm going to add in the peas. These have been boiled as well. It's a very quick dish, so you know you don't want to be waiting for the potatoes to cook and waiting for the peas to cook. You know, you're just stirring it in, frying for a few seconds, making sure that all the vegetables take on the flavour of this dish. As I said, you know, if you wanted to bulk this up more, you know, you haven't got too much mince, but you've got lots of relatives coming around. So then, you know, add more potatoes, add more peas, add more peppers. Or, you know what, you can even add cauliflower. The choice is endless. Mixed veg. Any kind of frozen veg. It will taste amazing. Right, as you can see, it's sticking here a little bit. So when that happens, just add a drop of water. And that takes care of that. Okay, that gets rid of that. You know, it's because it needs a bit of moisture in there. And now we're going to add the chopped tomatoes. Can you see that colour? Oh wow, absolutely delicious. And now I'm going to add a couple of tablespoons, well, I think I'll add about 4 tablespoons of passata. And I'm going to add a little bit of water, because I'm going to leave this on low heat for about 5 minutes. I'm just going to add a little bit of water so it doesn't stick. Okay. I'm going to turn down the heat. I'm just going to cover this for about 5-6 minutes on very low heat. Right, it's been cooking for about 6 minutes. I'm taking off the lid. And as you can see, the lid is off, and I'm going to add that fresh coriander. Mix that in well. Bring it over. So if you find that your mince was quite fatty and there's a lot of oil in this, because we do need the oil to fry the spices, then you can drain the oil off. But as you can see, there isn't much oil here. My mince was quite lean. It's good to have lean mince because we don't want any of that fat from the mince.